Hey everybody, it's the Eternity Forge game development vlog number 6, and today we're going to be talking about audio. But first, last week I said I was going to work on some multi-thread and stuff, and I did. So basically, the player for the animations where you can switch between tactics, multi-thread load all those animations, and also for all the idle animations, those all don't need to be loaded into memory all at once. So as the game goes through those, it loads and unloads them as needed, and you can see cool stuff happens while you're programming this. I got a little this guy turns into a ghost, I guess. And this here you can see that he disappears a little bit. So I finally started to add sound effects to my game, it's just a lot of fun making sound effects. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I have a background audio, but it's a lot of fun. So anyway, the sound effects in my game, you have panning. That's pretty easy to do, but then the sound also falls off with distance, and I was doing inverse square for that, but I think that's too big of a fall off for sound, so we just do inverse proportional formula. And I might have to still tweak the distance a little bit, because I have it to where if you're at the bottom or the top, it's a little less loud, and the gain doesn't go for the left-right balance. But outside of the screen, the gain will fall off for both panning and vertical distance. And that works pretty good, I think. Just listen to these guys. You can still kind of hear them. Of course, when there's going to be music playing, probably going to have to rethink some of these audio levels, or the distance fall off. And that's basically it for a 2D game, man. I'm not going to get all complicated and start bouncing sound off the trees and buildings and stuff. I don't think I will, because it's just kind of a subtle effect in this kind of game anyway. You don't really, you can kind of tell what direction someone's coming in from off screen, how far away they are, but it's it's a very subtle effect. So next week I will be doing hit detection, which should be pretty easy, damage stuff, death animations, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully make this start to be more of a game than just a stupid simulation of some rats and a dude running around.